Story highlights how animal people factories accelerate climate change. An article published on sentientmedia.org titled How Livestock Farming Affects Climate Change Explained by Seth Milstein describes how industrial animal people raising operations drive global warming and environmental destruction. His piece examines the link between the animal people products industry and increased greenhouse gas emissions and emphasizes the importance of addressing this issue amid the worsening climate crisis. His article reveals that animal people factories in the U.S. produce approximately 450 million tons of manure annually, and the digestive processes of ruminant animal folk account for 30% of global methane emissions. The manure is often stored in landfills or lagoons, which release nitrous oxide and methane gases into the air and pollute nearby soil and waterways. Nitrogen and phosphorus from animal people manure stimulate algae growth in rivers and oceans, releasing toxins that kill aquatic life and poison our drinking water. Industrial animal people raising operations are also a key cause of deforestation, further exacerbating greenhouse emissions and soil erosion. Such concerning news. May all global policymakers support the immediate closure of industrial animal people raising operations to safeguard the future of our planet and its citizens in heaven's protection.
Vegan, imagine a world where no one fears another.